Jai Srimanarayana. 25th sloka from 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Om Tat Iti Anabhisandhaya Phalam Yajna Tapah Kriyaha Danakriyascha Vividhaha Kriyante Mokshakankshibhihi. Om. Understand that the term Tat signifies Paramatma Srimanarayana. Keep on performing all your divine activities, seeking final release, seeking release from the cycle of this birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall understand and remember that Tat, the term, signifies you. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep on performing all my divine activities, auspicious activities, seeking final release from this cycle of birth and death. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra saying that, "Ho Parikshit Narendra, Sri Mahalakshmi Devi came out of Ksheerasagaram, and to do Abhishekam to Mahalakshmi Devi, all the arrangements are going on. In that process, some of the great Maharshis started chanting Veda mantras, Apsarasas doing Natyam, clouds are doing Nadaswaram, Shankanadas going on, flutes are singing, and then Mahalakshmi Devi, while holding beautiful flower, she is sitting in the Simhasanam. Then Tataha Abhishishichaha Devim Shriyam Padmakaram Satim Digibhaha Purnakalasaihi Suktavakyaihi Dvijeritaihi. Then Diggajas came, and with that Gangodakam, with golden kalasas, while Veda mantras going on, they did Abhishekam to Mahalakshmi Devi. Such Mahalakshmi Devi is looking so beautiful. Mahalakshmi is Paramasadhvi. She is the one who always makes herself belonging to Sakshat Paramatma. Now, after that Abhishekam is done, Samudraha Pita Kauseya Vasasi Samupaharat Kattanga Pachani Pattu Puttapudoyi Muditaku Techi Samudrudiche Mattalini Karambu Madhuvana Mugina Vaijayanti Mala Varunudiche కాంచన కేయూర కంకణ కింకిణి కటకాదులను విశ్వకర్మ ఇచ్చే భారతి ఒక మంచి తారహారమునిచ్చే పాణి పద్మమునిచ్చే పద్మభవుడు. After that Abhishekam is done, Samudra came and gave 2 beautiful sarees to Mahalakshmi Devi. Then Varuna offered beautiful Vaijayanti mala, which is filled up with so many honey bees. And then Vishwakarma, who is one among Prajapatis, he came and offered so many ornaments. Then Saraswati Devi offered beautiful haram, and Chaturmukha Brahma offered beautiful flower. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 17th chapter 25th sloka. Tadityanabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapah kriyaha danakriyascha vividhaha kriyante mokshakankshibhihi. Tadityanabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapah kriyaha danakriyascha vividhaha kriyante mokshakankshibhihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.